Hey YouTube, Carlo here. Welcome to today's episode, and for today's vlog, I'm going to unbox and share with you a sneaker that I overpaid for. As in, I think I paid twice the value, so it is overpriced. There wasn't even a box, and it was missing some laces. And yet, I kind of feel good. Let's go. By the way, if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, we are giving away this, which is a Razer True Wireless Hammerhead earphones. Not only will it allow you to enjoy your favorite tracks, it will also make you feel kick-ass because it has Razer's logo on it. So subscribe now, follow me on Instagram, like our Facebook page, and then the link to the giveaway down below. So let's get right into it. Now, the sneaker didn't even come with a formal box. It came in this, which is some sort of case where you usually put your sneakers in and display them. So if we pop it open, ba-bam! This is the shoe. As you guys can see, this is the Travis Scott Jordan 1 Low Cactus Jack. I did a review of the Jordan 1 High Travis Scott. It's actually there at the back. If you guys haven't seen that yet, I will put a link down below to it. Now, unfortunately, the box isn't the only thing missing with the sneaker. It's also missing the extra laces. It's supposed to come with different colored laces that you can use to spice it up to suit whatever style it is that you guys want to, rock for that particular day. Now, I'll go through the details of the shoe in a bit because there are still other things in the box that you guys have to see, which is this. And this is the reason why I actually bought the shoe. It reads, Republic of the Philippines, Municipality of Cainta, Province of Rizal, Office of the Mayor, Auction Reward. Bearer Carlo Ople emerged as the highest bidder in the auction of limited edition rubber shoes taken from the undersigned's personal collection. Proceeds of the auction are intended to augment the social amelioration assistance extended to the affected and displaced workers of Cainta, spawned by the 45-day quarantine order issued by the government to curb the spread of the COVID-19 virus. 14th day of April 2020, Municipality of Cainta, Rizal, signed Keith Nieto, Mayor. Model Jordan 1 Travis Scott Low, bid price 71,000 pesos. Yep, I paid 71,000 pesos for used Jordan 1 Low Travis Scotts without a box, with no extra laces. And I feel good about it. So what we're going to do is this. This sneaker will be put up on auction on my Facebook page. In fact, when I put this video up, the auction will probably be done. But just in case it isn't yet, please do check out my Facebook page. I'll put the link down below in the description box. I will be auctioning it again. And 100% of the amount that we raise through that auction, I will donate to the province of Cainta through the office of Mayor Keith Nieto one more time. So hopefully, we get to double the value, we get to double the donation, we get to double the help. We are not a stranger to sneaker auctions. We've actually been doing sneaker auctions to help raise funds for our medical frontliners here in the Philippines. In fact, as of today, we've already raised over 600,000 pesos, over 12,000 US dollars, and we've donated majority of it already. So every day we donate to Feed Philippines Incorporated, PLDT Smart Foundation, as well as the National Mental Health Hospital. They've had a outbreak of cases and they lack PPEs. So we're going to add to the 600,000, the 71,000 that I used to pay for this, because that entire amount goes to Cainta, plus whatever money we're able to raise from the auction of this pair. Apart from the Jordan 1 Low, I'll probably also throw in a couple of more pairs. I have an Adidas Alexander Wang. I have a couple more of Ultra Boosts, and maybe the Mastermind Adidas Tubular that's been sitting on my shelf for years now. I'll probably also throw in the auction. So again, check it out. I'll put a link down below to my Facebook page. If you guys want to bid, 100% of the proceeds goes to the province of Cainta, Rizal. Now let's go over the Travis Scott Jordan 1 Low. In essence, it is a low-cut version of the Jordan 1 Travis Scott, and you also see a reversal of colors. If the Jordan 1 High had white as the background and the swoosh was the black, white being the dominant color, this one, the dominant color is black, and then the brown and the white are your accents. In fact, if you take a look at them side by side, you can literally see how they inverted the color blocking. White swoosh, black swoosh. Black toe box, white toe box. They did keep the branding elements though, so you have cactus written here on the medial side in red, so it's actually easier to spot. And you also have the logo here at the back, which is now red, which is again also easier to spot versus how they implemented here with the Jordan 1 High. Apart from that, if you take a look at the right pair, you have the Air Jordan wing logo here embroidered, which is a trademark for most Jordan 1 lows. And that is our unboxing of the Jordan 1 Low Travis Scott. 100% of the proceeds of the auction will be given to the province of Cainta. Now, before we end the video, I want to show you guys one more sneaker that will be part of the auction. This is the Adidas Mastermind Tubular. So this came out a long time ago. It is in collaboration with the brand Mastermind. They use the Crossbones logo a lot. You've probably seen them with other sneakers. So this is what the shoe looks like. So it's your typical tubular sneaker, but this one is in all black. You have a foam midsole. You have the Mastermind Crossbones logo here at the back, and then you have it again here on the tongue tab. And the back also has this really nice zipper as well, so you can wear it a little bit loose by unzipping it, or if you want it a little bit more tight, you can actually zip it up to get maximum foot containment. So this is what the shoe looks like. The outsole also has a pop of red to give it a little bit more life. But yeah, really kick-ass looking shoe. The going price for this before, a long time ago, was well over 20 to 30,000 pesos. I think I'm auctioning it for 3,000, and this is size 11.5. So hey, if you guys want a pair, check it out. That will be part of my ongoing auction on my Facebook page. Apart from that, like what I mentioned earlier, we have the Ultra Boost. We also have a Pegasus Turbo, both of them are in size 12. We have the Alexander Wang Adidas, which is also in size 12. That's a really nice shoe. In case you guys haven't seen my review of that, I'll also put the link down below in the description box. And that actually wraps up our vlog for today. I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope you guys liked it. And again, for our Power Up Words of Wisdom, let me just remind you and take this opportunity to again tell you guys that if you are living in a comfortable home, you have air conditioning, you have electricity, you have food that's always taken care of, and you're just bored, I think you are called to just be more than bored. And you're called to be more than just play games. You're called to actually give. You're called to actually support. You are called to actually help out those in need. So if you can sacrifice a little bit by either selling your shoes or selling whatever stuff that you have there, or by raising funds and putting people together to raise funds to be able to help those in need, please do take that opportunity now. Our government, to be honest, is not as rich as the US or Canada, wherein they can give thousands of dollars to every household. That's not the case with the Philippines. That's reality. The government is trying their best, and sometimes we disagree with them, but ultimately, we just want them to succeed. And one of the ways for them to succeed is by us pitching in. So help whoever you can help those around you, help those around near your house. If you can donate to charities, if you can donate online, so easy now. You can use PayMaya, you can use Lazada. There really is no excuse because it is so easy and convenient to be part of the solution today. And lastly, I just want to give a shout out to Mayor Keith Nieto. Bro, congratulations. I'm wishing you all the best, and I hope that you do well in your sneaker auction. He's actually auctioning pairs every day. 3 shoes every day until the quarantine ends. Bro, good luck. I know you're doing well, and I pray that you're able to deliver more than what's expected for your constituents in Cainta. And as always, peace, God bless, what's up, boom.